National Electrical Code Article 110.22 mandates that junction boxes, outlet boxes, and fittings are marked with the voltage and circuit numbers of the conductors housed inside. This requirement aims to enhance safety, facilitate maintenance, and prevent errors during electrical work. The voltage marking must clearly show the nominal voltage of the circuit or circuits within the box. For example, if a junction box contains conductors operating at 120 volts or 277 volts, the marking must reflect these voltages accurately. The circuit number marking must be unique for each circuit inside the box. This means that each circuit must have a distinct identifier, making it easy to trace and manage different circuits. The marking must be visible and accessible without needing to open the box. This ensures that electricians and other personnel can quickly identify the contents of the box without exposing themselves to potential hazards. However, the National Electrical Code does provide some exceptions to the marking requirement. Firstly, junction boxes that do not contain any conductors do not need to be marked. This is because there are no active circuits to identify. Secondly, junction boxes that contain only one circuit do not need to be circuit numbered. Since there is only one circuit, there is no need to differentiate it from others. Thirdly, junction boxes secured in unfinished ceilings do not need to be marked. This exception recognizes that these boxes are often easily accessible and visible. Marking junction boxes offers several benefits. Firstly, it facilitates troubleshooting and maintenance. When electrical problems arise, clear markings can help electricians quickly identify the relevant circuits and components, reducing downtime and improving efficiency. Secondly, it reduces the risk of electrical accidents. By clearly indicating the voltage and circuit numbers, the markings help prevent accidental contact with live wires and reduce the likelihood of electrical shocks or other injuries. Thirdly, it improves safety for electricians and other workers. The markings provide essential information that helps workers to safely perform their tasks, minimizing the risk of errors and accidents. Fourthly, it helps avoid confusion and errors during future inspections or modifications. Clear markings ensure that future work is carried out correctly, preventing potential problems and ensuring compliance with electrical codes. It's important to note that the specific requirements for marking junction boxes may vary depending on local electrical codes and regulations. Therefore, it is always advisable to consult with a qualified electrician or electrical inspector to ensure compliance with all applicable requirements. Additionally, it is important to use durable and weather-resistant marking materials to ensure that the markings remain legible over time. This is especially important in environments where junction boxes may be exposed to moisture, chemicals, or other harsh conditions. In summary, marking junction boxes with voltage and circuit numbers is a critical safety measure that helps to prevent accidents, facilitate maintenance, and ensure compliance with electrical codes. By following the requirements of National Electrical Code Article 110.22 and using appropriate marking materials, you can create a safer and more efficient electrical system.